Good morning, everyone. Today, we will show you how to disassemble the door of your oven. There are different types of hinges, and each hinge must be operated differently. This applies to both built-in ovens and freestanding cookers. First of all, you need to open the oven door. Approaching the hinges, you need to raise this stand to its limit, both on the left and right. Then, holding the door with both hands, you need to make the closing movement. When you feel resistance, you should continue with the closing operation. By lifting the door, the hinges disengage from their slots. And so, once you have removed the door, you can perform your cleaning or maintenance operations. To reposition the door, simply do the reverse operation, inserting the hinges into the appropriate slots, resting them on the designated support, and using your hands to return it to the original position. The two stands, both on the left and right, and close the door. And here the operation is completed. For this other oven model, however, proceed as we did with the light-colored oven we saw earlier. You appreciate these two stands until they reach the end, and always perform your closing operation. With a slight lift towards the outer side, reposition it by doing the reverse movement and repeat the two stands. We demonstrate. Instead, it is necessary first to obtain two small clamps like these, or two small metal rods. Once you have opened your paddle, you need to insert them into these small holes, both on the left and the right. Once you have inserted these closures, you must take the oven door with both hands and perform the closing operation. When you feel that the door is locked, you must continue with the closing operation and lift upwards and outwards until it is completely removed. Once you have completed the maintenance and cleaning operation, reposition it with a reverse movement, the door in its place. And so, by removing the two pins you had previously inserted, you can release it and close it. As you have seen, it's not a difficult operation. Just a little patience is needed. No special equipment is required, and perhaps you can help yourself with the oven's instruction booklet, where these instructions are written clearly. For now, I say goodbye and see you in the next video. Goodbye.